Hey everybody, it's Carol, and I've got a lot to show you. I've got a dupe, and I want to show you some new products that I'm using. Sit back and relax, and hang out with me for a few minutes. So I'm just touching up with the Selfie powder. I'm going to show you a BB cream that is $1 that measures up to my favorite at the moment foundation, and which is $54, and I'm going to show you a demo. Before I do, I want to tell you what I have on my eyes. It is the BH Marble, the Marble collection, and it's in the warm stone, and these colors are amazing. Look at these colors. Woo! You've got the cranberries, the oranges, the browns, taupe, tan for crease. It's just amazing. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Just a tap on there. Okay, so these are really great. If you want to look into them, I'll put a link below. And then I use this. This is so cute. These little palettes to mix my foundation. How cute are they? And I got them in blue also. Okay, so let me show you the two products that I'm comparing in this video. One is from Shop Miss A, and it's called AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream, and it is in medium. The other product, which is my current favorite, is by HOURGLASS, and it's called Illusion Hyaluronic Tint. So what I'm going to do is mix a dot here of the BB cream and a dot of the Illusion, and I'm going to put a tiny dot of the NYX Olive on each one. Okay? So it makes it fair and even, because that's what I always use. Then I'm going to swipe them up with my two favorite foundation brushes, besides the Artiste. I always have to throw the Artiste in there. So this has been a favorite of mine all year. It's by IT, and it's a special. This is called Heavenly Skin by IT. It's infused with vitamins. It blends your makeup out like a dream. A dream. I love this. I have a backup of this too. And then this one is my new love, and it is by Sephora. What I like about Sephora is they have a black lacquered shiny handle that's very slim on the bottom, so I can stack a lot of brushes in a cup. This is called Pro Core Diffuser, Dome Diffuser 54. So Pro Core Diffuser, Dome Diffuser 54, and it's for foundation. And you see it has two levels. In the middle, it's more dense. On the outside, it's more feathered. What I love about these, I love the very substantial ferrules, and I love the brushes. I love the color, and I love the texture of the brushes and the performance. So this is an absolute must. So I'm going to put on the AOA BB cream with this. I'm going to put on the Illusion with this. We're going to go half and half. And actually, I have it on now. Can you see a difference? Now we'll do the demo. I usually add a little bit of a darker NYX to it. By NYX, just a dot. So I'm going to do that to both. Now this is how I do my foundation. I just swipe it up and blot it. So here's the illusion. That is too much, but I won't use it all. So that is a lot because I'm only doing half a face. So let's rub it in. I find it hard to do my foundation when I have eyebrows on, because I like to go all over there. But okay, that's the illusion. We're going to do the BB cream by Shop Miss A. So I'll take it all. Of course, I'm not going to use it all because that amount is good for a whole face. So we'll just get the majority. Look at this. Oh, if you've never put your foundation on with this brush, you are missing something, because this is such a gorgeous application. Now we'll do our concealer. Here, side of the nose, top of the nose, on the forehead, in the center, and over there. I like to blend this in before I do contour. Now I'm going to do the other side with this one, this jelly silicone sponge, but the shape of it and the texture of these really blend your products. All right, so I'm going to do the egg shape this way. This is like the Real Techniques shape, and this is like the Diamond Real Techniques. So I'm just going to blot, 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 blot. Now, if I feel is too much concealer, I'll take a beauty sponge, because that will absorb it. It sticks, so it moves it around. This is a great shape. It goes right in there. Short part, I'll just go right there on the cheekbone. There you have it. So on this side we have Miss A, AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream, $1. And this side we have the Illusion Hyaluronic Tint Foundation, and it's about $54. All right, let's do a little test here. All right, here's the Miss A in medium, and here is the Illusion in golden. More on. That's the Miss A BB cream. So here's the Illusion. Miss A. And the Illusion. I'm telling you, I get a great look with this. Now you know how much I love Illusion. I love it. It's my all-time favorite foundation. And then I just tried this, and it's like it sticks to your skin. It's got some power to it. It covers. It gives. And look at this color here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. That is so beautiful. I have two different mascaras on today. I have L'Oreal with the primer, and then I have CoverGirl Fiber. And I tell you, I'm liking the CoverGirl better. It's like, they're not soft. They're like stuck together like little wires. I don't like that. I don't know. I mean, I could try it without their primer, but with their primer, I didn't like it. And I got these things on Amazon, and I got them in blue, and then I don't know where they are, but I will find them. But how cute is that? You could just put your little mixtures there, and you have to get this, the NYX. The NYX in olive and in white, and you're set. You could just mix everything lighter or darker, and it doesn't change the integrity of your foundation. I've used my two brushes to demonstrate the products, the fluidity, the coverage, the blendability, and I think from what I'm seeing in the mirror that this BB cream is a dupe for this, the closest dupe so far. I mean, it's incredible. This is only $1. I am just shocked, shocked. This is $54. I absolutely, absolutely love this. You know that. And this I've been wearing every day to really see if my eyes are deceiving me or not. But I am getting the same look with this as I am with this. So I hope you enjoyed that. I tried to give you the look for less, and I think I did. I think I did. From what I see in the mirror, it is the look for less. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back. I hope you hit the boop, 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 and the boop, 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 and tell your friends. And you can help by sharing the videos, telling your friends. Share them on Facebook, Instagram, word of mouth, and it really helps a lot. So I thank you so much. You know I appreciate you so much. And if I haven't told you in a while, you right in there are beautiful. And be powerful. Always be powerful. Be a powerful woman.